Why didn't Obi-Wan train Luke sooner? In Revenge of the Sith, Obi-Wan takes Luke to Tatooine to hide him from the Empire. Obi-Wan waits 19 years until he starts training Luke, but why didn't he train Luke as a young boy like the Jedi had done to thousands of children? Well, Obi-Wan Kenobi did have the idea of training Luke and Leia from a young age, with Yoda training Leia and him training Luke. However, Yoda rejected this idea, as he believed that the old ways of the Jedi had failed and led the galaxy into the turmoil it was in. If Luke or Leia are to become Jedi, it'll be by their choice.